So we're back to trying to get this. So it turns out that you do have to remove the sprocket in order to get the chain back on. So what I did was I removed the sprocket in the vise. There's a separate video for that. And now I put the sprocket back on in the chain, and I just have to tighten this. Of course, the problem is that my Torx bit is actually very fat and won't get in there. I'll have to see what to do about that. I may have to buy a shallower Torx bit or something, because this just won't fit in here. I think even the socket alone won't fit in there. So, question is, what is it going to do? Okay, I'll have to figure this out.